Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Brian from Spookulators. Check this out, man. I got a huge Halloween haul from Spirit Halloween, and today we're going to take a look at the Pennywise statue that I just got today, as well as a bunch of other things. I want to take a quick look before I take them out of the box.
27 years, I dreamt of you. I craved you.
Today we all went to another Spirit Halloween here that just opened up in San Antonio, and they had the Pennywise statue. Check this out. He's 90 bucks, but with a, you got to get a 20% discount code online for the store things, or they had one on their Facebook page, the Spirit Halloween Facebook page, buy one decor, get one half off. And so we have another one, which is Leatherface. We'll get to that in its own video. But this is the box this guy came in, and this is spectacular, man. What do y'all think? I totally dig it. But with that being said, let me just shut up and let's get him out of the box. Let's see what he's all about, man. I love this. Look at the box. It's so detailed. Look at that. Even inside right there, we got something. How cool is that? And there's the old lady. She was picking up dog poop. Comes in this nice little handy dandy child-proof cut your skin protective case here. But let me get the tape off. So let me go ahead and put this little spinny wheel on right here, and so that way he can rotate as we talk about him. I am impressed with the details on this guy. Look at this, folks. It spins around slow. I could play a song, "You spin me right round, baby, right round." Look at this. Amazing, amazing, absolutely stunning sculpt. Look at that. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Like I said, I got the, and this is brand new for Spirit Halloween 2023, and I got the Leatherface one as well, plus the side stepper of Chucky and the side stepper of Ghostface. Look at this. I'm telling you, man, if you are a It fan, a Pennywise fan, and the spider version of it is, this is a steal for 90 bucks. And if you have a discount code, this is an absolute steal. Look at that. Now he does do some things, so he's not hooked up to the box no more. So let me see if I got to turn him on his own little thing. Yeah, he's quite heavy too. All right, so he was in demo mode, so let me go ahead and switch this over. It comes with batteries and everything already. It says It Chapter 2, and this is a licensed product here. Hold on one second. I love that little fire bit right down there, but there's the little button right here. Watch. Now we'll listen to all his sayings.
Time to float.
I think he said time to float. Not really sure.
Come out and play, losers.
It sounds like come out and play, losers, but I think that's what it said. I'm not 100% sure.
27 years, I dreamt of you. I craved you. Oh, I missed you. Time to float.
I think he is saying time to float.
Come out and play, losers.
And that's it. 3 sayings.
27 years, I dreamt of you. I craved you. Oh, I missed you.
All right, man. All right, so hopefully you dig this video. Like I said, it's new for 2023 at Spirit Halloween. And you can also get it online. I believe you can get it on their website. Highly recommend to get this if you're, before these things sell out, because this is gold, man. This is straight up solid. All right, so hopefully you guys dig this video. If you find yourself liking this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Until next time, it's Brian from Spookulators, and I'll see you next video. Time to go.